Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add cookie consent to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, you have, as you can see, your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add cookie consent to Blogger. So first of all, use a service like Cookies or Terms Feed to create a cookie consent banner. Follow the instructions to generate the HTML code. Then go to Blogger, go to Theme. Then go to Customize Theme. Then go to edit your HTML, copy it, and then just save the changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.